So now we're going to show you how to do the Hollywood toes with the Balance Gel system. So first of all, we're going to start with the sanitized product. Spray over your client's feet, your hands, and your file and your pusher. And then we're going to use the Vanish Cuticle Dissolve. Put a small amount on the back of your hand. And then we're going to massage that into the cuticles. And then using your cuticle pusher, you're going to gently push back the cuticles, make sure nothing's on the nail plate. If you leave any residue on the nail, it will cause lifting. And then you're going to wipe off all the excess. If there's loose cuticle on a toenail, you can nip it off with cuticle nippers. And then we're going to use the Endurance 180 grip file. And etch over the nail plate. Take all the shine off it. Gentle motion, you don't need to thin the nail down. And make sure your edges are nice and straight. Get rid of all your dust. And then with your Nail Pure Plus, remove any residue, any dust and excess oils on the nail plate. And then this nail's prepped and ready for primer and gel. So now the toenail's nice and prepped, we're going to put the Balance Bond Gel Primer all over the nail plate. And paint it on like a polish, and this is what's going to help the actual product to adhere to the nail. It'll always stay wet looking. And then we're actually going to work with Radiant Pink Builder just to give the toenail a nice glow. You can use any of the builder colours, it's just choice. Just going to take a sort of medium-sized bead. Get some of the depth of the colour. And paint it on over the toenail like a polish. Make sure nothing's on skin and make sure it's nice and smooth. And then you're ready to put that into the UV lamp for 2 minutes to cure. So once your builder gel's come out of the UV lamp and cured, we're going to wipe the nail with Cleanse. And remove the tacky residue. We're then going to take our Extreme White, or you can use brush on French, whichever you prefer. We're going to start to dab on the French. And try and get it on as thin as you can get it. When you're happy with the colour of the application, you're going to clean your brush and then sweep your smile line. And then we're ready to cure this in the lamp for 2 minutes. So once your gel's come out of the UV lamp and had the full 2 minutes to cure, if your application of your white is thin enough and you don't have a bump on the free edge, you can just go straight to your glaze and go gel top sealant. If you feel like you have a slight ridge or a slight bump, you can put another coat of Builder Clear gel over the top. We're going to go straight to our glaze and go. And you're going to paint this on like a top coat. And then you're ready to cure for 2 minutes. Okay. So once the glaze and go has come out of the UV lamp and it's completely cured, it has no dispersion layer, it's dry. You're ready to apply your nurture oil just to hydrate your cuticles. And then that finishes your Hollywood toes, which is a semi-permanent French manicure, really quick and easy. You can put your nail polish over the top and then wipe it off and it won't affect your French underneath. It's going to last up to about 6 weeks before they'll need a maintenance. Some people like to come between 4 and 6. You can also use your coloured gels as a semi-permanent colour polish on the toes and the fingers, and you can follow exactly the same step by step that we showed you for the natural nail overlay and the coloured finish.